So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys about EXO-K's the Photocard Set, and it's from a cake store. I forgot the name is. I'm sorry. Anyway, they give me this file pocket to put the leaf flat, so you can see. So, open your eyes, cream cake. Ooh. Let's see. And the card set. And open it. Okay. First one is Sehun. And you can see the quality of the card is like this. Kind of, yeah. And second, they have a signature at the bottom and the back. I can't read Korean, I'm sorry. And Suho. If you know the meaning, please tell me. Thanks. And Kai. My favorite puppy, Tanya. Merry Christmas. Happy EXO. Was that must? Pick on. The last one is the So there's another one is from the Natural Republic. I bought the mask. This one, the EXO's mask in fashion, New York City, the store, and I bought this mask, and they give me a card set. This one is kind of different from that one. You see this one. It's like different quality. Let's see. Oh, sorry. It's like different. This one is more like flat and yeah, cool thing. And quiz. Then up on the back. And wait. And Tanya. Wuhan. Wuhan. 五个。泪张艺兴。秀明。Chen. Sehun. This one's good. I like it. Somebody say they don't like the white hair, but I like it so much. Beckham, Yoshi, and Kai, Suho, Tao, and that's it. Boom. So thank you for watching. Bye.